Midjourney Art Prompts Part 2. A few days back I teach you 10 amazing Midjourney prompts, and today I'm back with part 2 of that video where I'm going to teach you 10 another simple and breathtaking Midjourney prompts. Now these prompts are really common in arts, photography, graphic designing and pottery. By adding them to your simple prompts, you can elevate your work into next level. Trust me, it is amazing how a simple thing can make such a difference in your creative projects. So without further ado, let's jump into the video. Ferrofluid artwork is a type of artwork that involves using magnetic liquid called ferrofluid to create mesmerizing patterns and designs. Ferrofluid art works best with images that have a lot of contrast and sharp edges, such as abstract designs, geometric shapes, and nature scenes with defined lines and shapes. You can try this with animals as well. Bacterial art is a relatively new art form that uses bacteria and other microorganisms as a medium. The images created through bacterial arts are often visually striking and can be used to explore a wide range of themes, from science and medicine to nature and ecology. Kintsugi is a Japanese art form that involves repairing broken pottery with gold and silver lacquer, highlighting the cracks and imperfections and creating a new kind of beauty. Some of the best images to incorporate into Kintsugi style artwork might include images and nature, geometric shapes and patterns, abstract shapes and patterns, as well as broken fragments and elements. This Maiolica style also used in pottery design. This style is characterized by vivid, high saturated colors and intricate designs inspired by nature, mythology, and ancient creatures. Some of the best images to incorporate into Maiolica style artwork might include botanical things, animals, mythological creatures, and geometric patterns. Bioluminescence involves using living organisms such as bacteria or plankton that emit light to create natural and organic looking illumination. This style is often used to create images of underwater scenes. Neon lightning style, on the other hand, involves using bright neon color to create high contrast, electrifying look. When combined, them together can be used to create visually stunning and captivating images that bring to life a wide range of futuristic and sci-fi themes. Kirigami is a Japanese art form that involves cutting and folding paper into three-dimensional shapes and designs. This style is associated with geometric shapes, intricate patterns, and sense of symmetry. Some of the best images to incorporate into Kirigami style artwork might include geometric shapes, nature, animals, abstract shapes and patterns, as well as architectural elements. Batik is a traditional Indonesian technique of wax-resistant dyeing, often used to create intricate and colorful design on fabric. Some of the best images to incorporate into Batik style artwork might include floral, geometric shapes, animals, landscape or seascape, traditional Indonesian arts. Art Nouveau is an international style of art, architecture, and applied art, especially the decorative art. Some of the best images to incorporate into Art Nouveau style artwork might include flowers and plants, animals, women with flowing hair, abstract and geometric patterns, architectural details, and mythological creatures. Ambient occlusion is a technique used in computer graphics to stimulate the soft shadows. This style can work well with architectural models, character models such as human figures and creatures, industrial and mechanical models such as machines and vehicles, natural and organic models such as plants, animals, and geometric shapes and patterns. Geometric abstraction is a use of simple geometric shapes and forms to create non-representational artwork. This one goes well with geometric shapes and forms such as circles, squares, triangles, and polygons, abstract shapes and forms such as spirals and curves, and also textures. And that's all for today. I hope you enjoyed this video and learned something new. And if you found my video helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and hit the bell icon. See you soon with another video.